Hello, this is Scout from Missouri Assistive Technology, and if you're watching this, hopefully it's because you got a pen holder kit to make a pen holder. And today we're going to go through how to put it together. Alright, so this is so you can hold a pen however you'd like and smoothly write on your paper. Alright, so let's take a look at what's inside of your kit. So you get 2 types of tape, we'll set aside. You got 4 pieces of corrugated plastic board. Piece 1 is kind of surfboard shaped with a hole at the top. Piece 2 has 2 pieces of tape on it. Piece 3 is scored so it bends in half. And piece 4 is scored so it bends in thirds. Alright, we're going to take piece 4 and put a little bit of tape around that. And so you don't have to put tape around this one, it's just a little bit easier to work with. Alright, we're going to take another piece of tape and we're going to take this trifold one with the angles and match up that angles to the one with the fold in the middle so that's nice and flat. Okay, nice and flat. Kind of shove that to the front. Alright, and now I'm going to put my tape and close those 2 together, nice and snug. Alright, so that part's ready. Now we're going to take our surfboard piece. So with the hole and the steeper angle, so if you're right-handed, you want that angle away or facing the left. If you're left-handed, you want that facing the right. So I'm going to make a right-handed pen holder. So the next thing I'm going to do is remove the backing on the other piece. I used carpet tape for this, which is difficult to work with, but it's effective. We're going to kind of put this just so it doesn't hang over the angles at the top. Should be long enough to get through to the bottom. Okay, that's it. Press those together. Alright, now oops, grab my pen. So you do have to supply your own pen. I like it's best to have one that opens from the top. I like the little cheap ones. Alright, so now what we're going to do is get our pen ready to be stuck on here. So I put my pen all the way down, push it down kind of as far as it'll go. It's okay if it touches the table, and push your angles in there tight, and we're going to tape that on there. You may have to readjust your pen if you don't get it just where you need it. Okay, so if that's on there, now I'm ready to put my mounting tape on the bottom here, and then we'll put that back. So I'm going to take my 2 little pieces of mounting tape and put those, we're going to get those right up to the front. So that mounting tape just goes on the bottom there. So I'm going to remove the backing. Hopefully. Okay. Success. Alright, the backing is off. I'm going to carefully put my pen back in the hole. Put the whole thing forward. Press that permanent mounting tape in there. Nice and strong. Open my pen. It should be sitting right on the tabletop or on the paper, and then I can move that around, holding it however I want, and just write really easily. So there are a number of steps, but you know, it costs next to nothing, and it really does help. You got to keep that mounting tape in there nice and snug and get everything snugged up, but it can really support somebody in their writing. All right. If you have any questions, reach out to me at Missouri Assistive Technology, www.at.mo.gov.